This is a tutorial for your split grip V. So a split grip is really important. There's a few different climbs you can do, a few different holds way later on in your pole progression. So let's just talk about it in the most basic way. So if I want a split grip, it's the bottom hand that takes that split grip. My pointing finger is facing down of the pole, because if you hold like that, your wrist hasn't got as much stability. Okay, so that just creates a little bit of foundation for that wrist to rest on. My pole's not static, but this is absolutely fine to do on spin. So I'm going to take my feet wide. I'm going to take my left hand down. I'm going to take the right hand up. And then what I want to do from there is I just want to kind of lean away from the pole, taking my bum back. And I'm just going to try to see if I can just lift my knees up off the floor, or my feet up off the floor by lifting my knees. Just like that, okay? So all you need to do at first, switch the arms around. So I'm pulling with the top arm and pushing with the bottom arm. Just doing that a few times over just to get used to that strength. And what I'm also trying to consider is that this shoulder of the top arm is not going in like that. Okay, I'm pulling it down the back. So actually I'll turn around and show you what this looks like from the back. So if I'm there, I've got this inside arm down, or bottom arm is just in that split grip position, top arm is just in a true grip. Lean away is important because you get to pull with the top arm, push with the bottom, and drop, and switch. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And if we're going to take it into a V, all we do is lift through the knees, extending the feet. Okay, let's try that together. So let's both go with the left hand low, right hand high, and then we'll switch. So you'll notice that the body is central, the pole is central to my body. So I'm going up, I'm pulling with the top arm, pushing with the bottom. I'm going to go on my toes now to start this, lifting the knees and extend to the side. Hold for 2 seconds, bring it down. Breath. Let's go. And drop, switch around. Same again, so big breath, and lift, pull away a little bit, and drop. So that is a split grip hold. It might feel a little bit intense in that bottom wrist at first. If it does, then just come a little bit closer to the pole, but not so close that you're just relying on your body pressing against the pole. You really want to be pulling, activating from the top arm, pushing from the bottom arm. That push and pull motion is going to be very important for other moves, okay? So have a play around with that, and yeah, go get strong with it.